Hello friends, welcome to the channel of Digital to Real. We are going to solve today a problem on the humming code, and this problem has been taken from Digital Electronics book by Morris Mano. So what is the problem we will have? We will read it. Okay. A 12-bit humming code word containing 8 bits of data and 4 bits of parity is read from memory. So 12-bit humming code we are reading from memory. It has 8 bits of data and 4 bits of parity. What was the original 8-bit data word that was written into memory if the 12-bit word read out is as follows? So, what was the original? So, we have to find that what was the original 8-bit data word without the humming code, which was without the parity bits, which was written into the memory. Okay, and we are having 3 cases where we are given what is the data that has been read from the memory. From the read data, we have to find the original data that was written into the memory. So this is the problem we have. So we have the 12-bit humming code, 8 bit of data, 4 bits of parity, that was forming a composite humming code that was written into the memory. Now we are reading from the memory, and these are the 3 cases, A, B, C, 3 cases of read data. From the read data, we have to find the original 8-bit data word that was written into the memory. Hope you are able to understand the problem statement. Now we will go to the solution part. This is the solution part. Now, number 1, A. We are going with the case A. The data read is as I have put them in the 1 to 12 bit bit location, and the data read was 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. This one is the P1. This is P2. This is P4. This is P8. These are all parity bits. Other than that, we have the data bits, that is D3, D5, D6, D7, D9, D10, D11 and D12. We will check 12 bits read for possible errors. Now we will check for the possible errors. How to check for the possible errors? We have the check bits C1, C2, C4. These are the check bits for the possible error. Then we have C8. C1 is the XOR of bit at location 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So I am getting as 0. C2 is the XOR of the bits at the location 2, 3, 6, 7, 10 and 11. I am getting it as 1. C4 is the XOR of the bits at the location 4, 5, 6, 7, 12. I am getting it as 1 too. Now C8. What's C8? C8 is the XOR of the bits at location 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here also I am getting it as 0. No, C8, C4, C2, C1. What are the values I got? 0, 1, 1, 0. That means there is an error in bit position D6. So we have error in the bit position D6. So here is the D6. It was the data bit. It was 1. So I have to invert it and make it as 0. That would be the original data read. So the original 8-bit data word that was written into memory was 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. How we got it? We got it from here. 0 1 0 1 1 0, 1, 0. Okay. Now we will look at the case of B case. Okay. So what is the data that is read? That is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now the data word read is, here I have put from 1 to 12 bit location. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. And here I have put parity bits P1, P2, P4, P8. All other bits are data bits. Now we are evaluating the check bits. C1 is the XOR of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. I am getting it as 0. Even number of ones. So I am getting it as 0. C2 is the XOR of 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11. Location bits. So I am putting the bits corresponding to them. Okay. And here odd number of ones. So it is 1. XOR is a odd function. C4. It is the XOR of the bits at location 4, 5, 6, 7, 12. And it is coming as even number of ones. So 0. Now C8 is coming as XOR of the bits at location 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here even number of ones. So 0. So on putting C8, C4, C2 and C1, it is coming as 2. So there is an error in parity bit P2 but no error in data. So bit location 2 is actually for parity bit. So there is an error in parity bit P2 but there is no error in data. So original data which has been original data read is written as 11000110. Okay, how we found it? D3 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. So this is the value which we have got for original data that has been written. Now let's take the case of C. What is the data that is read? That is 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0. So here is the 1 to 12 bits. So this one is the P1 bit, this is the P2 bit, this is the P4 bit and this is the P8 bit. 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0. So 12 bits have been written. Okay, now I am evaluating the check bits C1, C2, C4, C8. C1 is the XOR of the bits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So it is coming as even number of ones, so 0. Now C2 is coming at XOR of the bits at location 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11. So here it is again even number of ones, 0. You know na how to pick up the bits values from the bit location. Like for bit location 1, the value is 1. Bit location 2, value is 0. Bit location 3, value is 1. Bit location 4, value is 1. Like this. For every bit location, for 12 bit location, we have the bits with us. Similarly, the XOR of the bit at location 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 is coming as, here 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 ones are there, even number of ones. So C4 is coming as 0. Now C8 is the XOR of the bits at location 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So even number of ones coming as 0. C8, C4, C2, C1, they are all zeros. That means there is no error while reading the data. So original data bits are written as 11110100. Hope I am able to make you understand this problem. Thank you.